Hi, I'm Willow with C&J Nutrition, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to grill lamb at home. Lamb is actually super easy to prepare and offers a nice alternative to other protein choices. Because lamb has great depth of flavor, a little goes a long way and can really elevate a plant-forward meal. Lamb rib and loin chops are around 3 to 4 ounces each, meaning they're automatically perfectly portioned protein to pair with the veggie-based foods on your plate. So let's grill up some lamb chops. Step 1, preheat grill pan over high heat. Step 2, lightly brush olive oil onto the grill. Step 3, pat the lamb dry with paper towels. This helps a nice golden crust develop as it cooks. Step 4, rub both sides with salt and pepper. Step 5, cook the lamb chops for 4 to 5 minutes on each side or until they reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. This smaller portion of animal protein makes lamb a perfect fit for the Mediterranean diet. The lamb that we just grilled up can easily become part of a Mediterranean-style meal by pairing it with grilled vegetables and cooked whole grains or roasted potatoes. From simple preparations like the lamb we just grilled to more complex dishes, lamb can stand alone with a little salt or shine with layers of aromatic herbs and spices. But even adding more complex flavors to lamb won't take you more than 20 minutes to prep. Here's our lamb topped with flavorful chimichurri. And here it is with a Moroccan spice rub. So lamb really is simple to prepare and delicious to eat. I hope this video makes you feel more confident grilling up some lamb chops in your own kitchen. And if you do, please tag me at CJ Nutrition and #NourishWithLamb.